In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lowercase text to uppercase in Google Sheets. Whether you're cleaning up data or preparing a spreadsheet for a presentation, knowing how to transform text efficiently is a valuable skill. Let's dive in and make your text look just the way you need. First things first, to start off, navigate over to Google Sheets. If you're a regular user, you probably have a few sheets already, but if not, feel free to create a new one to follow along. Having access to the internet is a given here since we're working on a cloud-based application. Once your Google Sheet is open, think about which cell you want to change from lowercase to uppercase. Clicking on this particular cell is as simple as point and click. This is the cell where you'll be applying the magic. You might have your specific text within a column or row that needs transforming, so make sure it's all set and ready to go. Now let's get down to entering the necessary formula. Start by typing "WUK" in the selected cell to begin your formula input. This is the signal to Google Sheets that it should expect a formula to follow. As you type your formula, a drop-down box might appear showing options. We aren't interested in those other options right now. What we want is the upper function. Next, click on upper from the list of functions that appear after typing your initial formula entry. By selecting upper, you instruct Google Sheets to adjust lowercase text to uppercase. It's a straightforward function, and Google Sheets is smart enough to know what you're aiming for here. Once you've selected the upper function, the next step is to indicate exactly which cell's content you wish to change. After upper, place an opening parenthesis, and now you'll need to click on the cell you want to convert. It's crucial that you select the correct cell here, so triple check if necessary. With this in place, you should see something like upper A1, or whatever your cell reference might be within the parentheses. To complete the formula, close off with a final parenthesis, ensuring that the function is now all set to execute. That's it. Press enter and watch as your lowercase text smoothly transitions to uppercase. Keep in mind that this transformation doesn't alter the original cell content. Instead, the uppercase result is displayed in the cell where you entered the formula. If you need to make permanent changes, you could copy and paste the results over the original data. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly change text from lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. Happy spreadsheet formatting!